In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to delete your Threads account without affecting your Instagram account. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Open the Threads app and log into your account. Once you're in the app, locate the upper right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll find a menu icon. Tap on it to open the menu. From the menu, scroll down and look for the Account option. Give it a tap to access your account settings. At the top of the Account Settings page, you'll notice the Deactivate Profile option. Go ahead and tap on this. It's important to note that there's a difference between deactivating and deleting your Threads profile. While you can't delete your Threads profile entirely, you do have the option to remove your data from public view. This includes hiding your profile, threads, replies, and likes. All this information will be invisible to others until you reactivate your profile by logging back in. Rest assured, this action won't have any impact on your Instagram account. To proceed with deactivating your Threads profile, tap the Deactivate Threads button. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that you want to deactivate your profile. This is your last chance to reconsider. You're almost there. Click the red confirmation button to finalize the deactivation of your Threads profile. Your Threads profile will now remain deactivated until you decide to reactivate it by logging back in. If you wish, you can even go ahead and delete the Threads app from your device. Doing so will completely remove your Threads profile. Remember, your Instagram account will not be affected by this action. Should you ever change your mind and want to reactivate your Threads profile, all you need to do is log back in. Your Threads profile, along with its data, will be restored. Feel free to use your Instagram account credentials to log in. So, deleting your Threads account data while keeping your Instagram account intact is entirely possible. Just remember the distinction between deactivation and deletion, and you're all set. If you ever decide to return to Threads, your profile will be ready and waiting for you. If you come across any confusion or have questions while using the Threads app, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be happy to assist you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.